Hello clarinets! Today we're going to have a look at the good, the bad and the ugly. Now the very first thing I want to say about this piece is look at your key signature. We have F sharps and C sharps the whole way through. Let's start looking from bar 2. So we have 3 beats rest and then we come in with G, A, E. Remember to roll that finger to get from the A to the E. And we are piano here, so we are nice and quiet, which means lots of support to play it. Let's start from bar 2. We'll play it all the way up to figure A. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Just make sure you check that rhythm. So 2 bars before figure A we have 1, 2, 3, walking sleep, sorry, my fault. So it's 1, 2, 3, walking sleep. Just practice that rhythm if you're not quite sure. So at figure A we have the exact same rhythm after 2 bars, it's just an octave down. And this time we are forte. So when we're playing nice and loud down here, we don't want to overblow. So what we want to do is use lots of support from our tummy. If you can, try and move your teeth further apart and relax your throat. So we don't want to blow too hard, we just want to be nice and relaxed. And remember, if you're unsure, so we have G, A, E. So E is either that little key there or that one there. Let's try from 2 bars after figure A. So after 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Just again check that rhythm in the middle. So it's walk, walk, stride. Just slightly different than last time. Let's look at figure B now. So we have 1, 2, 3, walk, 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 running. We have an accent and a staccato. Now what that means is each note needs to be heavy but also short. Like this. 1, 2, 3. Let's try that together, the first 6 bars of figure B. After 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. And after that, we have lots of low Bs and C sharps, remember? They're all walks, they're nice and easy. Just take a minute and look at that, make sure you're changing notes at the right time. Now, 2 bars before figure D, we are on a low B, we are loud and we are getting even louder. So we are forte, getting louder over 2 bars like this. So again, just like we said earlier, lots of support, relax your throat, try and get your teeth far apart. Because then, at figure D, we are even louder, we are fortissimo here. So don't be too loud at the beginning, you need to look through and we need to find where we are loudest. This is the loudest point of the entire piece. So when we were forte earlier, we don't want to go full whack just yet. We need to hold some back for this moment. Now it's the same notes as we had earlier, G, A, E. This motif actually comes back quite a bit in the piece. So every time we get it, we need to make sure it's different because otherwise it's going to get a bit boring. So we need to make sure we follow all the dynamics and all the articulation in the piece to make it really super exciting and interesting. So that's figure D. We are super loud here. This is the loudest bit of the piece. Then we get to figure E and we're quietening down. So we're going 1, 2, quiet because in a minute we get even quieter. So from figure E, we have G, A, E. That's quite a tricky one, that one. Let's just try that one together slowly after 3. 1, 2, 3. Take a minute to practice that if you need it, because that's quite a tricky jump from a G to an A. And then we have G, A, D. With that, let's just try playing from 2 bars after figure E, after 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we repeat that. 1, 2, 3. Then we repeat it one more time. So that last phrase, 1, 2, 3, A, E, E. We play it 3 times at the end. But notice the second time we play it, we are down to P, P. So we need to play that super quietly. So from figure F, it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Have a practice of those bits. If you're not sure, practice them really slowly. If you are struggling with that G to A, just practice moving between those 2 notes. But practice them slowly. And good luck. Have fun with this piece. It's a great piece to play.